In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem regarding composition functions. What we're going to do here is to evaluate this pair of composition functions, which is this and this, and identify the domain of each function. So the first composition we are going to make is f composed of g of x. We are substituting x with the value of the g of x function, that is 8 over x plus 1. So the composition will be f composed of g of x is equal to, open parentheses, 8 over x plus 1, close parentheses, minus 2. The domain of this composition function is that x can be all real numbers, except that it cannot be equal to -1, since the vertical asymptote when you graph this function on a graphing calculator is x equals 1. Let's now go to the second composition function, which is g is composed of f of x. This is the opposite, since it is the g of x function that is being modified by the f of x function. So the new composition would be g composed of f of x is equal to 8 over, open parentheses, x minus 2, close parentheses, plus 1. We can simplify the denominator, which will be x minus 1. The domain for g of composed of f of x is that x can be all real numbers, except that x cannot be equal to 1. Since the vertical asymptote is x equals 1. There you have it. We have now made composition functions. F composed of g of x is a rational function, which is also the same for g composed of x. The domain for both is all real numbers except for the x values indicated based on their vertical asymptotes. And our problem is solved.